Hi Stampers, it's Madeline from the Wonderland Welcome to 30-Second Thursday, where I'm going to show you how to easily make cards with little to no time at all. All the supplies and details will be over on my blog at the Wonderland Let's get started with 30-Second Thursday. Thanks for watching 30-Second Thursday, Stampers. Make sure to check over on my blog for all the supplies and details on how to make these gorgeous and quick cards. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you liked this video and that red subscribe button with the bell so that you don't miss another video. For now, keep stamping, Stampers. Bye.